Oh hey good people, welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Alex. What is up y'all? So I'm in a bit of a rush. Okay, it is, y'all, it's 2:20. I have two meetings back to back at 3 and at 3:45, so I'm gonna make this real quick, but just wanted to say what's up you guys. Welcome back to pretty much Nashville prep part 2. So in today's vlog I'm pretty much about to be finishing up my work day because it's the afternoon, and then I'm gonna pack, you guys. I'm gonna bring y'all along to the packing, okay, getting it done because I have not packed a thing and I fly out tomorrow. And I'm not even gonna hold y'all. So I did my hair. This is what it looks like. I ended up doing these little, what are these called? I forgot what they're called. I guess just Senegalese twists. Can y'all see? I did them last Tuesday. I filmed that vlog. On Monday and I had did these on Tuesday just because I just wanted my hair done for the weekend, you know. They turned out pretty well, but I feel like I'm gonna just go in tonight and just like refreshen them up just so they can look more fresh for, you know, this weekend coming up. But this is how long they are. Let me see. Y'all can't really see. So this is how long they are. I'm 5'10", so I did them pretty long. My hair's sticking out for a few of them and that's why I'm gonna just like retwist them or whatever. But listen, baby, this is what I'm gonna do, and I saved myself $250, so I feel good. But let me go ahead and start packing, y'all, because again, I'm rushing. I feel like I just thrive under pressure, okay? The pressure is getting worse. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my suitcase and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm packing, okay? Because we got the fit. So let's see. Yeah, I am out of breath, so boom. Okay, suitcase is open. I'm only taking this one because this is going to be my checked bag and it's pretty big. It is a little old, as you can see. I am definitely due for a new one. It is crazy, but honestly, just for a couple of days, I'm gonna stick beside it. Let me get this bobby pin out there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pack. I don't really have like a formal packing like structure. I just fold and pack and do what I gotta do. So I got a lot of my outfits from Pretty Little Thing. I didn't do like a full haul, but I'll be sure like when I actually do the Nashville vlog, y'all see the fits, okay? Because I think I did pretty good when I did my shopping, okay? Everything fits, so I was so happy. Y'all know how it is when you order online, honey. You just gotta pray because you just never know. But pretty much the rundown for today, like I said, I got some meetings I gotta finish and wrap up, okay? Because we gotta work, we gotta pay these bills, and then I'm gonna pack. My skin is acting up just kind of like down here. I got a facial last week, and when I tell y'all, I feel that my skin looks really good just because she had to get up into my pores, but down here is where I'm still struggling. So I'm gonna do like a deep, what is it, a green tea mask or something, like detox. I'm gonna retwist my hair after I like get off or whatever, so that way it's like it's still like fresh. I'm renewed, okay? I'm restored, and so I'll be good for my trip. Let me go ahead and pack a few things real quick. I'm gonna show y'all, okay? Just a little sneak peek, not everything, because that's what the other vlog is gonna be about, but I'm gonna show y'all a few things. Okay, but real quick, I just want to say thank you so much to those of you who supported my DHGate links. Like, you guys know that when it comes to me talking about things, I truly am like passionate about it, and I appreciate y'all for clicking the link and supporting what I'm talking about. I had a question about when you see the items on DHGate, you don't see the logo. That is such a good question, and my bad for not addressing that because I just wasn't thinking at the time. But basically, when you order anything off DHGate, even if you don't see like the designer logo, always check the reviews, but that doesn't mean that your items are going to come like that. So perfect example, when I shared these with y'all last time, on the site they're not going to have the Nike swoosh. When you get them, they are, okay? So I just wanted to clear that up if there was any confusion. Again, my bad, I should have specified that. But thank y'all so much for supporting that link. I really appreciate it. So speaking of my dupes, I'm bringing all of them, okay? I'm bringing these, I'm bringing my Yeezys, Wave Runners, I'm bringing these too. Actually, I might wear these at the airport, I'm not sure, but I'm definitely going to wear both of these, bring both of these, and then I'm going to bring my LV hoops, okay? So I'm gonna look real cute. I'm excited. So let me go ahead and pack a few things because I'm just talking way too much, and before I know it, 3 o'clock gonna be here. All right, y'all, so this is pretty much what I've gotten done so far. I got like 3 pair of jeans, a lot of mixed outfits, so like bodysuits, you know, cute pants, some 2-piece sets or whatever. Zoom in so y'all can see. I'm doing pretty good. So over here I'm thinking shoes and like toiletries, and that's it, okay? So far, these really cute shoes. from Amazon. Aren't they so cute? They're a little high. Well, they high for me. I just feel like for a mule, it should be a little bit shorter, but I'm bringing them anyway. I don't care. So I got these, and if you're interested, I got these from Amazon. They're linked below in my description box. I still need to pack like jewelry and stuff, but just as like outfits, I'm gonna be there Thursday night, Friday, so a full day, Saturday a full day. I'm coming back on Sunday. So I got some airport outfits as well. I need to throw in there, plus some gym outfits too, because my friend, his apartment complex has like a gym in their clubhouse or whatever. So in case we do work out, I'll be prepared. You just never know, but this is what I have so far. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Ooh, my lips are so dry. I cannot wait to put this face mask on, y'all, to get my skin renewed, because it's just feeling real crusty. But okay, now I know last time we was talking about chicken. Okay, I got me some Popeyes. So y'all, have y'all heard that Wingstop dropped the chicken sandwich? Now baby, I love me some Wingstop. Aside from Popeyes, I love me some Wingstop, and they got a chicken sandwich. So I'm gonna go pick it up, and I'm gonna review it live here on this vlog. First impression, everything. I got some cheese fries, y'all. I am super ready, so I'm gonna go grab that real quick, and I'll be back, because I gotta clean up my kitchen, finish packing, put on the face mask, redo my hair. The vacation prep, it just, why does it stir up just anxiousness sometimes? I don't know. But anyway, let me go get this sandwich, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and here it is. I got the spicy Korean flavor. If y'all ever tried this flavor in wings, I'm busting, okay? So I was like, let me just get it in the chicken sandwich, since they have like 12 flavors anyway. This is what it's looking like. Honestly, I like the presentation. The bun don't look like it was just thrown together. I appreciate that. And then I think it just comes with pickles. Yeah, so that's that. And I also got some cheese fries. I love Wingstop's cheese fries. Woo, look at that. Oh, it's baby, it's a wrap. And I'm off work. Yeah, it's a whole wrap. Okay, so as I was going to Wingstop, I actually stopped by McDonald's and got their little frozen lemonade. Y'all, this is the frozen Sprite lemonade, and it has me in a chokehold. I should not be eating all this fast food, but sometimes I just fall off. I fall off a little bit, but I'll get back on track. So I got my frozen Sprite lemonade. If you have not tried this, honey, this is really good. Super, super good. I got my sandwich. As promised, I'm gonna go ahead and do my first bite with you guys. So we gonna see. So here's the sandwich. I think I'm gonna dip. Let me try without the ranch first, then I'm gonna dip it. Make sure I bless this food, Lord. Thank you. Thank you, God, I made it back safely. Okay. It's a little spicy. Hold on, pause. I'm not even finna hold y'all. If I wasn't an influencer, baby, I am today. Try the sandwich. Highly recommend you try the sandwich. I think it's good. Now I wanna go back and try the mango habanero. It's a few other flavors I get in the wings. So now I'm really interested how it is in like chicken sandwich form. But y'all, go ahead and go to Wingstop. Go ahead. I think you should try. I think it's worth the try. Plus you can get like a nice little combo for $7.99. So it's not that bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this food, and then I'm gonna clean my kitchen, and I'll be right back. But try the sandwich. Okay, I promise it's good. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I had that good Wingstop, and I cleaned my kitchen, just finished up packing for real. So now I'm about to dive into just a good face mask, just because I need it. Like, what's all that? I don't understand. So I got this mask from Teeny, detox mask, and then I'm just gonna honestly just chug some water. I've been slacking on my water intake. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, it's been a little trash. I'm an emotional eater, so I'll find something with like sugar sugar and processed foods so quickly before I go to like healthier options. So I'm working on that, but this mask really like helps me stay on track. I want to just drink this. I mean, I'm going to put this on my face and drink a nice glass of ice water. So yeah, tomorrow I'm working a full day. My flight doesn't take off until 6:25, I believe. Okay, it's hard doing two things at once sometimes, talking and making sure I put this on. But yeah, my flight leaves after work hours, and so I mean, honestly, that's pretty much gonna be my day. Like, I'm gonna be working and then boom, go to the airport, and then boom, I'm in Nashville. So I get to Nashville at like 10 something, so that'll be what my day tomorrow consists of. I'm so excited. It's kind of hard getting this mask on my nose. Like, I feel like I need like different makeup tools to really get it on my nose. But for now, I'm gonna just do the best I can with what I got. So I am gonna go ahead and just put that in there. Probably just gotta move it over like that. I know I need to watch a video like how to properly put on a face mask. It's crazy how many things you can YouTube and like Google. I'm also gonna refresh my braids while I'm here, my twist or whatever, so that way those can look a little fresher. Just the ones where it's got like my hair poking out, because it's looking real raggedy and I don't like that. So right now that looks good. It feels really dry. Okay, it feels super dry, because like I said, I don't have to do a lot of them. All I need are my scissors, some gel, and I'm back in business. Like y'all see, like that one, yeah, we're redoing that one. And then I feel like there's a few in the front that can get redone. Yeah, so okay, not too many, honestly. It's hard, you know, seeing your head in the back for real. I need to get one of those mirrors from Amazon where it's like a trifold mirror. I look real crazy right now, I already know. But yeah, I'm just gonna redo these real quick. But yeah, that's it, you guys, for today's vlog. I mean, shoot, honestly, it was just a regular day, okay, working and packing. I'm super excited to just go and be somewhere different. It's not like I'm off my game, but I'm not 100% either. Like, I just feel like I need to be away and then come back to where I'm like on my ish. So that's what I feel. Like, I'm not completely off, because I'm still like making sure I get stuff done. I'm ahead with my content, so I feel really proud of myself. So I'll end off with this. It's hard for me to celebrate my wins, but I'm so happy that I'm constantly moving, and I recognize that celebrating your wins is not selfish. It doesn't mean I'm arrogant. I just don't know what it is, but I struggle with celebrating my wins. I'll literally like hit a milestone and be like, okay, I hit it, now let me keep moving. So I'm working on that. So this trip is also going to be kind of like celebrating a lot of wins with my friends and stuff like that. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think about celebrating your wins. Do you find it difficult too? How do y'all celebrate y'all wins? Let me know. Share some tips. I'm trying to get better at that, because I will hit a goal, I will complete a goal, and just be like, okay, yay. Not like a yes, you know, it don't be like that. So let me know how you celebrate your wins. But other than that, you guys, drink your water, okay? Mind your business, okay? And choose yourself first. And the next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be in Nashville. I love y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next vlog. Bye.